First, make sure your iOS device is updated to the latest version of iOS 26. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Scroll down again and find the Phone option. Then tap to open it. Scroll down once more until you find the new update called ScreenUnknownCallers. By default, it is set to none. If you select Ask Reason for Calling, calls from unsaved numbers will prompt the caller to provide more information before your iPhone rings. And if you select Silence, calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and shown in your recents list. Now, select the option that best suits your preference. This feature helps you manage calls from unknown numbers, reducing interruptions and improving call screening. So that's how you can use ScreenUnknownCallers feature on iOS 26.